Alright, so ever since this video here, I have wanted to take this car on the ice. I think this would be way too much fun. However, it's got track tires on it, and my only options are these 30-year-old, well, at least 30-year-old hockey pucks. I only have 3, but I have 4 of these, and they're summer tires. Yep, those are my only options. I gotta order some winter tires. So yeah, hopefully I can take this thing on the ice. Hopefully those summer tires will hold up. I'll show you how these things just slide. That's all they do. Hard to tell because I don't have an RPM gauge, but when I give it gas, I don't really gain any actual speed. It is so slippery. These tires have no traction. Yep, I did it. I got stuck in like 2 inches of snow. Track tires aren't really meant for winter. Who knew? Time to change the tires. I'm literally stuck in the driveway. Pathetic. Boo. That's right, I just got the Mini unstuck by hand. I might need to modify those summer tires. Oh yeah. Probably isn't the best way to stud tires, but got a better idea? Look at that. Flat. Wasn't sure how many I would have, so I kind of just spaced them out like this, but I bought 2 packages of 100. Still have some left. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not just gonna do one. Try that again. Cool. Pretty sweet. I kind of forgot to adjust the suspension. This is way too low. We need to raise it up. We need more height. So, I just raised it. Let's see what it looks like. That looks about right. Oh my god. Perfect. First, of course, we have to check the thickness of the ice. I'm hopping out of my old Mini onto an old snowmobile. Beautiful day to check the ice thickness. As you can see, we definitely came in style. Oh yeah, that's an Exciter 440. That's good. Yep. Yeah, more than an inch. We're good. Better said. No, are you serious? Huh. Battery's dead. right. Well, the drill's battery's dead, so I think we have to resort to the original way of testing ice. I just hope it's strong enough for the Mini. There, right there. We were actually only planning on measuring the thickness of the ice. I think we're getting a little carried away, actually. So, quick disclaimer, we did actually head back to the ice later that night with a fresh battery, and we found that the ice was around 9 to 10 inches thick consistently in quite a few spots. So this meant it was definitely thick enough for the Mini. Oh my god, this is fun. Definitely a little bit of snow buildup. Oh, this is hilarious. I just did like 3 or 4 360s in a row. Time to get the drone out, I think.
It's a small town jukebox, rock and roll. Yeah, like Coltrane playing when it hits your soul. Get the whole thing shaking when we hit the floor. Yeah, we're just getting started. Let's see where it goes. Harder than the summer.
Sometimes I do have good ideas, and this is definitely one of those times. This is so much fun. So the front is definitely a little higher, as you can see, and the back has just basically track tires on it. That's why I can just like get it swinging around like crazy. Oh, this is so much fun. Look at like how open it is. I get all this to myself. There's a few like icy areas here you can see, and that's when you can really start swinging. The snow is like maybe like 2 inches deep. Oh, this is fun. Hilarious. I think the studs are holding up good too. We'll have a closer look. Doesn't look like any of them have came out yet. Look at that. Yeah, they're all in there. That's sweet. It works so good. I am very happy with that. Mini is running a little hot, I think, but that makes sense because we're not moving that fast. This is hilarious. All right, let's get back to it. To have fun. I definitely almost puked. Oh my god. Picked a good day to have a good day. Oh, well, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. Got snow everywhere, got snow inside. This tire is definitely leaking a little bit, but overall it held up quite well. Such a fun little machine. This is awesome. Reminds me of just like a vintage winter rally scene. Oh, this is so much fun. I hope some of those drone shots worked. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.